Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. तो आज की वीडियो में we are doing a topic of math and we are gonna learn about the number system. Now there are gonna be two parts of this video. In one part, which is this part, I'm gonna explain all the types of number: natural number, irrational number, rational number, whole number, prime number, composite number, co-prime number, even, odd, all types of numbers we're going to discuss in this part of the video. And in the second part, which will come in that video, I'm going to discuss about the HCF and LCM. So basically there will be two parts of this number system topic video. Now let's start with the video. Now what are the types of numbers? Now the types of numbers are natural numbers, even natural numbers, odd natural numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, co-prime number, whole number, integers, rational and irrational. Now we're going to talk about all these numbers in detail. Now what are natural number? Natural number are basically the counting numbers, and natural numbers are infinite. Now there is no greatest natural number, and the smallest natural number is 1, and natural number is denoted with the letter n. Now let me explain what a natural number. It's simple. First, the natural numbers are basically counting numbers. So natural numbers are basically like this. So when you count a thing, you count it like this only, no? Like if, for example, this book and this mouse. Now, if you take these, you will count it like 1, 2 objects. You're not gonna count it like 0 and 1. Although 0 is a number, we don't use 0 in our counting. So those are basically counting numbers. All the numbers except for 0 are counting numbers. So counting numbers are basically natural numbers. All the numbers except for 0 are natural numbers, and natural numbers are infinite. They keep on going and going. So there cannot be any greatest natural number, and the smallest natural number is 1 because the natural numbers start from 1 and it is denoted by the letter n. So it's like, you can, if you want to tell natural numbers, you can just write n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now there are two types of natural numbers. As you can see over here, which are the classification of natural numbers are even natural numbers and odd natural numbers. Now even natural numbers are all the natural numbers that are divisible by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And our odd natural numbers are all our natural numbers that are not divisible by 2. Basically the odd numbers and the even numbers. Now let's see the next slide, which is our prime and composite number. Now what are prime and composite number? Prime numbers are those numbers who have two factors, which are 1 and the number itself. Now so basically what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that only have two factors. Now so basically 3 is a prime number. How? What are factors basically? Factors are numbers, like if we say, for example, 15. Now in 15 comes in many tables. For example, 5 into 3 is 15, 3 5s is 15, and 1 into 15 is 15, and 15 into 1 is itself 15. So it comes in many tables. So 15 has 4 factors. It has more than 2 factors. Now there are some numbers which only have 2 factors. For example, number 3. 3 number has only 2 factors, because it comes only in 2 tables, which is in 3's table itself. 3 ones are 3 and in ones table itself. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So all the numbers who only have two factors, 1 and the number itself, are known as prime numbers. And composite numbers are exactly the opposite. Composite numbers are all the numbers that are not prime numbers, which have more than two factors. For example, we just took 15. Now we are going to talk about co-prime numbers. So co-prime numbers are when two natural numbers have no common factor other than 1. So if you take two numbers, for example 2 and 3, and you write their factors down. So just take a pen and copy and write the factors of number 2 and 3. So if you have written the factors of 2 and 3, there are only two factors. Of 2, the factors are, it comes in ones table and it comes in twos table itself. 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. And if three number factors is 3 1s are 3 and 1 3s are 3. So these both come in their table itself and ones table. So if you have written the factors of these both numbers, there must be two factors for each number, 1 and the same number. So if you see both the numbers factors, there is only one common factor, which is 1. So all the numbers that have 1 as their common factors, they are known as co-prime numbers. For example, 2 and 3 as we just saw. Now let's talk about whole numbers. So what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are basically, like we just talked, natural numbers are counting numbers, and whole number are the numbers that start with 0. Now natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they are denoted by the letter W. Now let us talk about what are integers. So all the positive numbers along with 0 are known as integers. Now integers are negative numbers, which are the -1, like -1, -2, -3 and all, and the positive number, which are the normal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and with 0. So these three type of numbers, positive, negative and the number 0 itself, are known as integers, and integers are denoted by two letters, either of them, Z or Y. And if you have to write integers, you can just write Z is equal to negative number 0 and then some positive numbers. And in integers and for you can do the same with the I. Now what are rational numbers? Now numbers that can be expressed in the form A upon B in the fraction format are known as rational numbers. And there is one condition, that the denominator, or you can say B, it cannot be a 0. It should be a number. Now what are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are numbers exactly the opposite of rational numbers. They cannot be written in the A upon B format. And here are some examples of irrational number. Now this is the last type of number. Just a second. What are real numbers? Real numbers are basically the rational and irrational number together are known as real numbers. Now let us just talk about we will now talk about decimals. Now there are two types of decimals also, non-terminating decimals and terminating decimals. Sometimes if you see, the answer of decimal comes like 3, for example, 3.666666, like it does not, it goes on forever, 66666, it does not terminate, it does not stop. So those are known as non-terminating decimals. And terminating decimals are when it only has a finite number of decimal places. For example, 3.65, 3.65, 9.889, now which only have a fixed amount of places. So as I said, for today's video, this is only going to be it. There are, as I said, this is part 1 of the video, number system. I will be uploading the second video soon. So you can watch that video if you want to know about HCF and LCM. So there are going to be 2 parts of this video. This is the first part about number system, in which I told about the types of numbers. In the second part, I'm going to be telling about HCF and LCM. So this was the part 1 of number system. I told all about the types of numbers in this video, and if you liked this video, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And tab tak ke liye, I'll see you in the next video, and bye.